Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today for our Sunday challenge we've been taking some suggestions, so if you have any suggestions stick them in the comments at the bottom. This week's suggestion came from Evil Arch Conservative, who has suggested that we pick a padlock, which I've chose this nice Easy Master number 3, whilst wearing mittens, which we have Mrs Deadlock's nice thick mittens here, and wearing handcuffs, which I've gone for the Clejuso 11R, just because they seem like the worst thing possible to be wearing whilst picking a lock. So, as well,
pick locks very well.
Mrs Deadlocks has my bag of random lock stuff, and she can use whatever tool she wants.
There's a lot of stuff
I'm limited to the cheapest jackknife on Amazon.
There's a lot of stuff in here. There's a key. Don't think it's a key for that.
I don't think any of those keys will work for some reason.
There's a lot of things in here. Those are tiny little jiggery pokery things.
The broken key extractors.
Tiny little jiggery pokery things. Let's poke somebody. Ooh.
I don't think that's going to open either.
You laughing at?
Yeah.
Why? Well, there's a pick, which is a stabby thing. Stabby.
That's actually really sharp. I hurt myself with that.
Well, that was silly of you. Oh, I found some things. I'm going to use these. Jiggly Wigglies. These are Jiggly Wigglies, aren't they?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know which one I'm going to use yet, but I'm going to use a Jiggly Wiggly.
Okay. So what we have to do is we put the
mitten up.
Put the mittens on. We have the lock on the table. We have the tools on the table.
You'll have to take the camera so we can see, because it's not going to be able to see anything. Because
okay.
No.
Yeah.
Ow! You're nipping me. Ow!
Sorry.
Ouch! Put the mittens down first and then put the thing on. Nipping my hands like that. Try to put the mittens on properly. There we go.
Okay, so I have
can't get any
There's loads of bits of stuff falling off those gloves. Where have you been wearing them?
It's been in the boot of the car, and I used to take them. Like, can't pull them on properly.
Well, you're just going to have to deal with it, because I'm going to have to deal with it too. You ready?
You've got skinnier wrists than me, though. This one's really uncomfortable. There we go. Oh, God.
3, 2, 1. So how does that feel, Mrs Deadlocks?
I can't grip anything. Oh, God. What do I want? I want... Oh, God. Oh, this one. Okay, it's in the hole. It won't open. Pick these because it would be easy. Oh, I think. Nope. Oh.
What happens if turning one way doesn't work?
Turn it the other way.
Okay.
But it won't turn the other way now. It broke it. I got it.
So we have 1 minute 5.40 to beat.
That was rubbish. At least I don't have to try and take these things off. That would be interesting.
I'll be back in just a second.
And we're back. Mr Deadlocks is already trying to pick things up.
In front of me.
And we set the camera, not the camera, the timer. Okay, And you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Might as well sit back and relax. It's gonna take you a while. Did you already pick out the thing you were gonna do and already? That's cheating. That's cheating. You're a cheater. And these are old mittens as well. That was great. It just pinged out. You're not gonna win. Light is reflecting. Do 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 do.
Open. Not open.
You monk.
Okay, lack of feel. Done something bad.
Oh no.
Whoops. I was pretty sure that was opening. It felt like it was opening.
Mangled it. Oh no, are you sad?
Oh, it's a £5 toe, and I've got another one that I don't really need the tensioner for. So I've got the tensioner.
Maybe this wasn't a great challenge for a poor little £5 tension tool.
Yeah, lack of feel apparently does some bad things.
Whoopsie! I still beat you.
You did.
You should see how red Mr. Deadlocks' face is right now. Let's see. Gone all
I
red.
feel very warm.
It's
I think
really
it's something to do with the very, very wintry gloves.
Shall we pull them off?
Yes.
I can't pull them off. Why can't I pull them off? Oh, you got very sticky hands. Oh my goodness! Should have been trying. Your hands all sticky. Oh, you'll have made all my gloves all sticky inside. Can you actually unlock them? Come on then. I would so laugh if you managed to. It'd be like amazing. You're putting too much purchase on it. You're doing it too fast. Okay. You're nearly there. Nope. Do you want help?
I think you can get it, you know.
I've done it before. I can get it in the hole, but turning it's very hard. You double locks off? No, not yet. Hey! It was impressive. Mr. Deadlocks is in a huff now. Really broke his tool. How do you manage to mangle it so much? I don't understand.
I felt it turning, and then I was like, the core on this is quite stiff. So I felt it moving, and I thought, oh, it's open, and I just pushed on it. And apparently,
It's stronger than you think.
The gloves took away my feel a bit.
Gives me an excuse to show off my nails. I've got flowers on them. I made flowers. I like doing my nails. Stop being mean. If my won't focus. But yeah, it's mangled. Camera doesn't want to focus on anything. Mr Deadlocks.
I knew I was going to break the cheapest jackknife at some
Deadlocks.
point. What?
I won.
That's actually the first. That's not the first tool I've broken, is it? Because I broke the tensioner in the.
It's not the first one I
lever lock
broke.
as well.
It's not the first one I've broke either.
Is it not?
No, I broke the disc detainer one that we had.
Oh yeah, you broke the disc detainer lock. I broke the cheapest jackknife on Amazon, and I also broke the lever lock tensioner.
We're doing quite a good job.
Yeah, we're good at breaking things.
But guess what?
What?
I won. I won.
I should have seen that coming. Shouldn't I?
Yep.
Anyway, that's all from us.
I was going to show Puppy Locks, but he ran away and went back to bed. But Mr. Tank's just enjoying his dinner. His glass is very dirty. He's just having his lunch. Delicious. Anyway, just zoomed in on your crotch there.
I don't know why that's funny, but alright.
It just looks like it zoomed right in.
That's all from us.
See you next time.
That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.